Such precious time in this life. Well, everybody knows that it.
Hi, thank you for passing by today. In one of my previous videos, I took you through best practices on how you can be able to protect your Facebook account from hacking. And today, I want to take you through the steps you can follow to set up one of the best practices that I've mentioned, which is setting two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. Adding two-factor authentication add an extra layer to Facebook account, and this one ensures that if someone has your username and password, then they will not be able to proceed unless they have access to the other factor of authentication. So work with me as I take you through these steps that you can use to set up two-factor authentication. Let me know in the comment section which other application that you'd like me to take you through setting up two-factor authentication. And again, on the comment section, I'm going to share the video that I did some time back about best practices on how to protect our Facebook account from hacking. Thank you so much. To set up two-factor authentication, log into your Facebook account from your favorite device and from your favorite browser. Log in to Facebook account using your username and password. Notice that is the only form of authentication you have. When you enter your username and password and you click on login, click on settings and privacy, then settings, then click on password and security, then password and security again, then that you can use Authenticator app, you can use text, SMS, or you can use security keys. For this video, let's use text message. You click next, then you'll have already saved phone numbers, but if you don't have, don't worry, select add phone number option. For this option, I select one of the number, and then I'll receive a code from the selected number where I need to put that number, and then I need to click on next. So type the number or the code that you have received from the selected or provided number, and then you click next. Once you click next, you have set up two-factor authentication. You need to click done. So let's try open another browser and we sign in to the Facebook, and then we see whether now we'll be asked for another method to verify our account. So in my Safari browser, I go to facebook.com and then I log in with my username and password. When I enter username and password and then I click on login, notice what happens. So when I click, I don't need to save this browser. So notice what happens. When I click login, I'm taken to this window whereby I need to provide a code that is set to my phone number. Meaning if someone has this your username and password and they try to log in, there will be a hit by this window where they need to provide the authentication code. Unless you share this code, this user will not be able to log into your account. So that's how you add two-factor authentication. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share, comment, and if you have any question or you have any other application you'd like me to take you through how to set up two-factor authentication, just drop your comment in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond. Thank you so much.
Precious time.